Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lego Chevrolet Camaro full guide. Start by deciding scale and measuring length and width in studs so proportions match. Gather an inventory of plates, slopes, tiles, and hinge pieces, then sort by color. Set up a clean workspace with trays or bowls to speed building. Work from chassis to body panels, test fit often, and record part counts as you refine each section. Decide which parts make the build strong and which create look. Choose a chassis design that supports weight and suspension detail, then pick body panels that interlock cleanly. Match Camaro colors and add accent stripes to highlight lines. Reserve clear pieces for windscreen and headlamps, and use small plates for grills and badges. Keep spare small clips and hinges ready as you prototype each section to avoid delays. Start with the chassis and confirm wheelbase and axle alignment before attaching wheels. Create a modular body so hood, doors, and roof can be lifted for interior and engine bay access. Fit major panels loosely at first, then add small clips and tiles to lock seams. Use slope bricks to shape the Camaro's hood and rear, and continuously compare to photos for proportions. Iterate until the model looks and drives as intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.